Hey, it's the Rye Guy. Let's try Knob Creek's 7-year rye. That was a close one. The runs are pretty close together on the nose. That's actually pretty gentle. Gentle and fruity. Within that frigid, dry rye taste, there is a sweetness. There's a comfortable burn going down. This is as unique as the bourbon from Knob Creek. I really like it. There is some astringency in it that I don't prefer. It doesn't ruin it. Ooh, it's almost like an almond. I wonder if it's nutty just like the bourbon is. But yeah, cherry, almond, pretty darn good. I'm giving this one a 3.5. It is pretty darn good. There's just a little too much of the rubbing alcohol chemical taste in it. It doesn't ruin it. I don't like that. This is somebody's 5 out of 5 for sure somewhere. It is good. Love Knob Creek.